discuss regarding some remaining determinants of health. In that topic is the health services. Okay, what are the health services will be available for the community people in the society. Okay, in this the health services like what is meant by services? Okay, what are the health services? Means the services, health services or the many of health programs, health policies will be available for the community to provide special care for the people who are suffering with the diseases. Okay, who are having some of the disabilities on health. Okay, those are fulfilled by the some of the health programs, health policies by the some health services. Okay, in the health services like health and family welfare program will be there. Okay, in a health and family welfare services mainly health means in every human being has like healthy. Okay, family welfare means in family all are healthy means okay, in community all are healthy because of the family is the basic unit for the community. Okay, different families will be there in the community, different communities will be there in the society. Okay, the families will be healthy, free from any diseases means the community also healthy. Okay, the family welfare services or health services will be available for fulfilling the individual health and family health. Okay, every individual will be healthy. Okay, they are focused on the family members also. Okay, in community so many of families will be there. In family one member will be healthy, remaining members unhealthy, we are not take any response like that. The policies or the programs not behave. Okay, what is the purpose of policies, what is the purpose of family welfare services means individual health focus and as well as family health also will be healthy. Okay, that is the purpose of family welfare services. Okay, in this the services will be mainly work or focus or implementation of increase health status of the population. Okay, group of people will be there in the society. Okay, their health status will be improved, free from any diseases. Okay, next another one is the what is their aim means safe water supply. Okay, why? What is the reason? Safe drinking of water or purified drinking of water means for prevention of waterborne diseases. In community many of the diseases like for example diarrhea will cause waterborne diseases, no? Okay, for prevention of many of diseases this family welfare services will be available for providing this purified water supply to the population for prevention of waterborne diseases in the community. Okay, community లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఆల్ పీపుల్కి ప్యూరిఫైడ్ వాటర్ సప్లై చేయడం ఓకే అనే ఉద్దేశంతో ఈ యొక్క ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ అనేవి వర్క్ అవుతున్నాయి అన్నమాట సొసైటీలో. ఓకే, ఇన్ దిస్ నెక్స్ట్ by this what we are using means mortality rate and morbidity rate which is caused by the waterborne diseases. వాటర్ కలుషితమైనటువంటి వాటర్ తాగడం వల్ల వచ్చేటటువంటి ఈ యొక్క అనారోగ్యం ఉంటుంది కదా హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్కి ఆ యొక్క డెత్ రేటు ప్లస్ సిక్ రేట్ని ప్రివెంట్ చేయొచ్చు అనే ఉద్దేశంతో ఈ యొక్క మినిస్ట్రీ ఆఫ్ హెల్త్ అండ్ ఫ్యామిలీ వెల్ఫేర్ సర్వీసెస్ విల్ బీ అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ ద community for preventing mortality rate as well as morbidity rate of population. Okay, next one is the immunization to children's health. Okay, waterborne diseases only purified water supply చేయగానే అందరు హెల్దీగా ఉంటారా? Some members are healthy, sometimes in children they are not vaccinated means they are prone to develop their diseases. ఓకే, చిన్న పిల్లలకి మనం ప్యూరిఫైడ్ వాటర్ ఇచ్చినంలే ఎలాంటి డిసీజెస్ రావు అనుకొని మనం ఉండగలుగుతామో? లేదు. వాటర్ బోర్న్ డిసీజెస్ కంట్రోల్ చేయడానికి ప్రివెంట్ చేయడానికి ప్యూరిఫైడ్ వాటర్ ఇస్తున్నాం డ్రింకింగ్ కోసం. ఓకే, వ్యాక్సిన్స్ మీన్స్ డిసీజెస్ రావడానికి ముందే మన బాడీలో కావాల్సినటువంటి ఇమ్యూనిటీ పవర్ హౌ విల్ బి ఇంప్రూవ్డ్ మీన్స్ బై వ్యాక్సినేషన్ ఆఫ్ చిల్డ్రన్స్. ఓకే, కంపల్సరీ we are giving some vaccines to the children for prevention of diseases. Okay, next another one, that is the care of pregnant women. Okay, why? Because the pregnant woman in the world that is the important period of every woman's life. Okay, women's life they are getting some pregnancy period means that is the most important and critical life of women. Why? Because she is able to give birth to the new human beings, newborns. Okay, when the period of antenatal period, the mother having many of physiological changes. Okay, that's why the mother receives some special care by the healthcare providers. Okay, as a healthcare providers or some health services will be there for protecting the pregnant women. Okay, regarding that nutrition and iron and folic acid supplementation. Sometimes pregnant mothers also have vaccinated. Okay, tetanus toxoid vaccine is for pregnant women. Why? Because for prevention of tetanus toxoid disease. Okay, that's why some primary gravida mothers will be there, means first time pregnancy, or sometimes childhood stage means in early stages they are attaining their marriages, they don't know what is the pregnancy period, how we will take some precautions for protecting their fetal in their mother womb. Like that they are not having any clear information to the individuals. Okay, then the health services will be available for giving some of the health education to the pregnant women. Okay, in pregnancy period first 3 months what we have to take, what measurements we have to take. Okay, next second trimester what we have to take, what is the special care. Okay, in third trimester how we will improving our health. Okay, like that the health education will be given by the healthcare personals to the pregnant women for prevention of maternal mortality rate and children's mortality rate. Okay, mother and child mortality rate, morbidity rate will be reduced by giving pregnancy care to the women. Okay, this is the health services. Next one is the aging. Okay, in aging also having that what is that aging of population. Okay, in aging of population by the year of 2020. Okay, now 2020 no, by the year of 2020 the world having more than 1 billion people of aged 60 years. Okay, how many members will be there in the 2020 means more than 1 billion of people having that 60 years of age or above 60 years of age group. Okay, in this what happens means many of aging means old age people. Okay, aging అంటే ఎక్కువగా ఏజ్ ఉన్నటువంటి వాళ్ళు. ఓకే, above 60 years or 60 years or above 60 years aging people, old age people. Okay, in old ages some of the physiological changes will be there. Okay, teeth loss and in that joints they are lose some of the synovial fluid. Okay, they are having some type of diseases. Okay, why? Because they are in early stages their life they are having some of the hard work. Okay, the physical parts of the body will be lose their strength. Okay, due to that they are having different diseases in the aging period. ఓకే, ఓల్డ్ ఏజ్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే బాడీలో ఉన్నటువంటి స్ట్రెంగ్త్ అంతా లాస్ అయిపోతుంది, అందుకని వాళ్ళకి లో ఇమ్యూనిటీ పవర్ ఉంటుంది. ఫుడ్ తీసుకుంటారు కానీ డైజెషన్ అవ్వదు. సమ్ పీపుల్ ఫుడ్ అసలు తీసుకోలేరు. వై? బికాస్ డ్యూ టు ద ఏజింగ్ ప్రాసెస్ ద ఆర్గాన్స్ షుడ్ లూజ్ దేర్ కెపాసిటీ ఫర్ డైజెషన్. Okay, Next one is the gender. Okay, in gender, in this 1990s, in the year of 1990s, witnessed has increased of concentration on the women's issues. Okay, in our society so many women issues will be there, no? Okay, for preventing these women issues, for protecting the women's, okay, this 1919 year will be having some witness for protecting the women's. Okay, in this 1993 the global commission will be started. Okay, in the year of 1993. Why? What is the reason? Means for protecting the women's health. Why? Because in every family having different types of women, no? Okay, in a woman will be healthy means total family will be healthy. Why? Because she only preparing food, she only giving a total care and service to the family members. Okay, in which family having good healthy woman, the family will have healthiness all family members. That's why we are protecting the women from the some type of harassment or some type of these issues. Okay, we are giving some education to the women, we are giving chance for reading or for doing some employment. In previous days there is no equal rights for men and women. Okay, the woman is only doing in the home standard levels work. Okay, she is not come to the outside, she is not doing any work in the society. Like that the people will be behave. Okay, for protecting the women, for giving all rights to the women, for improving the women health, this witnessed and this type of establishment will be there in the year of 1993 through the global commission. Okay, next one is the some women empowerment will be there, no? Okay, in women empowerment what is there? Okay, we are giving some power to the women. Okay, what is the power? For participating in the assemblies or for participating in the education, because of for prevention of illiteracy. Okay, for improving their educational standards, we are giving some education to the women also. Okay, we are giving some opportunities to the women for participating in the all community policies or rules, regulations or works also handovers to the women. Because for improving the health status of the family members or society or community or state, for women should be have some of the awareness, some of the knowledge. Okay, women's only giving what is that vaccinated received to their children, no? Okay, a Ministry of Health and Family Welfare will be there, that will be giving some of the services to the all community people. Okay, but the woman not having any awareness on the vaccines means she is not go for vaccination of their children. Okay, the time the communication is barrier means there is no proper usage of vaccines to their child. Okay, that's why we are giving some awareness, some knowledge, some powers to the women for improving our community health or family health or society health. Okay, this is regarding determinants of health.